What's going on, all my rockers out there? Welcome to a different edition of the King Emerald Old School Rock and Talk Show. This is the 4th of July with the King, and we back here cooking, barbecuing, and this right here is one of the King's favorite secret recipes when it comes to making some kick-ass ribs. So starting out, the ribs about done now, but this is the ingredients for the secret King sauce. Okay, start off with some Red Stripe beer, mix it in a bowl, and you go with a little vinegar. Mix that with the Red Stripe beer, a little seasoning salt here, a little bit of Famous Dave's famous rib rub. Then we go with some black pepper, coarse style, and then here we go, some minced onions. Okay, and all the stuff. And then last but not least, this right here is called Tasha's Texas Twister, some type of hot paste powder what I picked up from a girl at my job. Her and her husband sell that stuff, so it's pretty hot, give you a little twang to it. So not as hot as Dave's Insanity sauce, but it's hot enough to let you know you done ate something hot. So you mix all this stuff up, and then when everything get thickened, then you just spread it over your meat, and the finished product gonna look something like this. And come back here in the kitchen with me. I'll turn this off. Okay, that's the finished product right there. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yeah, buddy. Get a closer look at that. Underneath there, I got a couple of steaks and some pork chops there. And then on the grill, we got some of the King's favorite fish out here. We got some white bass and some perch out here, and I got a kind of hot mixture seasoning on that too. Let's go check that out. Man, I'm hungry. I shouldn't be doing this. Okay, there we have it. There's the fish out there grilling. Now I got some kind of wild seasoning on here. A little bit of that vinegar, some more of the Dave's Insanity sauce, Tasha's Texas Twister, regular house sauce, black pepper, and a little bit more of that Red Stripe. All mixed up, thickened, spread it, marinated overnight. Take a regular pan, poke some holes in it, grease it down with some olive oil, set it on the grill, watch it cook. Now these babies are going to be on here for a little longer. We just put them out here, but thought I'd give y'all a look at it. Well, happy 4th of July, all my rockers out there. I'll be coming back with some more punk rock videos, so everybody be safe and have a good holiday. Peace.